Hello friends, today we are going to see one of the latest product from Signia from IX platform, Integrated Xperience. So here we have Signia Kit Pure CNG 2IX. We have got this product today and now we are going to see the unboxing for this product. On the left side you have the product detail. You can see here Kit Pure CNG 2IX and some barcodes and serial number for the product. So let's open this. So as you open this, on the top you can see a beautiful packaging for all the products and it's well packed. So here you have your hearing aids, here you have the humidifier box and charger. On the top you have some documentation. So let's see this. So first you have safety user manual for hearing aid, which is standard across all Signia hearing aids. Then you have a warranty card for the charger. Then you have two warranty cards for each hearing aids. Then you have user manual for pure CNG. Okay, so let's keep this aside and move inside. Then first we see the charger itself. So this model comes with a portable charger. So once you open this is how the hearing aid charger looks like. You can also charge your hearing aid while on the go. So this is portable charger. Keep this side. Below it you can see the Type-C cable and the charger. Now we see the hearing aids. Also I will show you the dehumidifier. So this is how it is. You can store the hearing aid at night when you are going to bed. So this is your charger, this is your hearing aid. Let's open this. You might feel, oh, this is the hearing aid, but nothing inside. Actually these are the receiver and the sleeves comes as accessories in a separate packaging, not inside the box. You will get it from your hearing aid supplier or the hearing aid center. So let's see. So you will get a pair of wax guard kit, a pair of sleeves. Based on your shape and size they will recommend you one sleeve, maybe vented, open, large, medium, small. So this is small as per this client. And a pair of receiver. In this one you get receiver 3.0. You can see here. So this is left and right. So let's install this. To save the time I have already prepared a kit of sleeves and this here. So let's fix this. So we'll just put it. It goes very simple. You can just need to plug it inside and just press. You'll hear a click sound. It means it's perfectly fit. Same goes for the right side. So it's properly fit. On the bottom you have a charging pin where it connects inside the charger and charge it. Then you have a volume rocker to increase and decrease the volume. Also the down button you can long press and turn off the machine. Okay, so let's put inside. So as soon as you open the case it will turn on green and it will show the battery, and if the hearing aid is inside it will also start charging. So let's put this. It goes left and right. So you can see the green light has turned up and it's flashing. It means the hearing aid is charging. So when you are traveling also or not in use you can also charge this. So this hearing aid is also called Charge&Go. So and it is slightly bigger than the Styleto. I can show you for a comparison here. This is a Styleto model. This is slightly bigger because it can also support for the HP receiver, which is slightly bigger and comes with the mold. So there is a space inside that can adjust the bigger size. So for those who are having little higher loss and want to go for RIC, you can select this Pure rather than the Styleto, because Styleto does not come with HP receiver. Okay, so that's all in this. We'll see more detail about this product in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned, stay connected. For more details you can visit our website www.Digibionic-India.co.in or contact us at 63822555145.